Most of us reason by analogy. We copy what already exists with small tweaks. First principles thinking throws that out and rebuilds from scratch. 90 seconds. A first principle is something you know is true on its own, not because someone said so. First principles thinking means stripping a problem down to those basics and then reasoning back up from there. Reasoning by analogy says this is how it has always been done. First principles asks what are we actually trying to do and what is truly required. Often, the usual way turns out to be habit, not necessity. It is how real breakthroughs happen. Someone questions an assumption everyone else treats as fixed and finds a cheaper or better path hiding underneath. It is slower to do, but it sees much further. So, first principles thinking means do not copy the answer. Rebuild it from what is actually true. Use it when the standard approach feels expensive, stuck, or just inherited.